Hello everyone, my name is Anwar, glad to see you on my Bioculture channel and welcome to my SAT Biology course. If you haven't subscribed yet, then be sure to be subscribed now, press like and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Today we'll continue to study the fourth type of macromolecule, namely the structure of proteins. Now the main thing you should remember is that there are a total of 4 types of structures. So let's get started. The first is the primary structure. The primary structure, the sequence of amino acids in a protein, is similar to the order of letters in a long word. Here we distinguish two ends in the molecules, namely the amino and carboxyl ends. In other words, we call them the N-terminus or the C-terminus respectively. The next structure is secondary. The secondary structure found in most proteins consists of coils and falls in the polypeptide chain. Thus we divide it into two subgroups. These are alpha helix and beta pleated sheet. It is worth noting that these secondary structures are the result of the formation of hydrogen bonds between the repeating components of the polypeptide backbone. I think everything is clear here. The third is the tertiary structure. This structure is determined by interactions between R groups rather than interactions between backbone constituents, thus leading to the idea that we can observe 4 types of bonds: hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, hydrophobic interactions, and van der Waals forces. Strong covalent bonds, namely disulfide bridges, can also form. And the last structure is the quaternary structure of the protein. It occurs when a protein consists of several polypeptide chains. For example, collagen is a fibrous protein consisting of 3 polypeptides folded like a rope. Also, hemoglobin is a globular protein consisting of 4 polypeptides, 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. Okay, on this our 7th lesson ended. If you have any questions, be sure to leave comments under this video and I will answer you. I hope it was the most useful for you, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, be sure to check them out. I will be waiting for you in the next lesson. Всем большой рахмет!